Well, welcome back everybody. Today we have a paella kit from Vigo. I first encountered this product when I was doing a yacht delivery in Europe, and I found this in the grocery store in France at the Carrefour, and also at the other mega grocery store called Hyper U in La Rochelle. And we bought a bunch of these for the boat, for the trip down to the Canary Islands, and it was great. It made a great meal. So I thought I'd prepare this thing, give you a taste test. This is a product of Spain. And what is in here is a pack of yellow rice and a can that has seafood with olive oil and some vegetables, and believe me, it does not look like this picture. So let me open this up. So today's featured knife is the Lightning OTF. Out the front, goes back in. You can pick this up at lightningotfknives.com. Right now they are $33.94 for this thing with free shipping. So get it while you can. So let's open this up. Whoa. Okay, give you a look-see in here. So there's a pack of yellow rice in a yellow bag. And a great little can, very pretty. It has squid, mussels, peas, carrots, French beans, etc., and olive oil in here. So this whole thing supposedly has 6 servings, and each serving is 290 calories. So this box contains 1,740 calories, which is pretty impressive for this thing. I wouldn't call it 6 servings. I'd say you can get nice 3, and this would be like a side meal. You'd have your like little something or other, and you do it. So since I bought 2 of these on Amazon, oh by the way, Amazon sells them in a pack of 2 and a pack of 6. So a pack of 2, they're $9 a piece, and if you get 6 of them, they're $6 a piece. So there you have it. And I think you can probably pick this up in the international aisle of grocery stores that are in, semi-metropolitan areas. So since I did buy 2, and by the magic of YouTube, I already made one. So here's a nice steaming pot. It makes a whole big pot. This is crazy what it makes. It's a lot. So maybe you could get 6 servings out of this thing. But let me pour out a little bit here. Now when I opened the can, there were, I'd say, 4 mussels, and then the rest was little bits of fish, and I guess that was the squid. Oh, there's a little mussel right there. So that's enough for a taste test, because the rest is going to be for dinner tonight when my wife comes home. So it looks good. It smells great. It smells like yellow rice, Spanish yellow rice. And let's get it with that little mussel. There's not a overly fishy or seafoody taste to it. And I would recommend, if you were going to be preparing it, and I think what I'm going to do is open up I've got a can of smoked mussels. And I think I'm going to add it to this and reheat it, just to give it a little more protein punch. But It did call for 3 cups, but I added actually, as it was cooking and checking on it, there's some of that little squid bits. They almost look like clams. As it was cooking, it was starting to get dried out. So I actually put another cup in, and it didn't get too soupy or anything. It actually, the rice actually absorbed that extra cup of water, and I think it's perfectly rehydrated and tastes wonderful. This will make a nice side. We're having a roasted chicken in the Ninja Foodie. Going to pressure cook it and air fry it, and this will make a nice side complement to that, plus some broccoli. Well, there you have it. Just a nice quick review. I've got an idea for something next week. Couple ideas tossing around. Eventually, I will get to a military product. I've got a boatload in my office closet, but I just like doing these little things you can find in the supermarket that are shelf stable, and something different than what the MRE community is putting on YouTube these days. So there you have it. Let me get one more bite before I sign off. Yummy. Okay. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.